Americans spent their Easter Sunday largely confined to their homes by the still raging coronavirus pandemic, as the US death toll neared 22,000, with more than 500,000 confirmed cases nationwide. With 42 states imposing strict stay-at-home orders, most churches were shuttered, although many erected crosses outside and even offered drive-through services, conducted by priests, pastors and ministers wearing latex gloves and surgical masks. Other Americans turned to online church services to mark the holiest day in the Christian calendar. In some states, attempts by authorities to clamp down on Easter services have sparked legal battles over the rights of the government to prevent Americans from attending church, even under pandemic conditions. On Sunday, the Kansas Supreme Court upheld an execution order barring more than 10 people from gathering for religious and funeral services. The decision, a victory for Democratic Governor Laura Kelly, followed an attempt by a Republican-led legislative body to overturn the order. The United States, with the world's third-largest population, has recorded more fatalities from COVID-19 than any other country, nearly 22,000 as of Sunday evening, according to a Reuters tally. Roughly 2,000 deaths a day were reported for the last 4 days in a row, the largest number in and around New York City. Even that is viewed as understated, as New York is still figuring out how best to include a surge in deaths at home in its official statistics. As the death toll mounted, US President Donald Trump mulled when the country might begin to see a return to normality. With the US reeling from a ravaged economy and a staggering number of job losses, politicians on Sunday debated when to ease the nearly nationwide lockdown to contain the spread of the coronavirus. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo among them.
We want to reopen as soon as possible. The caveat is we need to be smart in the way we reopen. What does smart mean? It means a coordinated approach, a regional approach, and a safe approach. Nobody wants to pick between a public health strategy and an economic strategy.
The Trump administration viewed May 1st as a target date for relaxing stay-at-home restrictions, according to Food and Drug Administration Commissioner Stephen Hahn, who appeared on Sunday on ABC's This Week. But Hahn cautioned that it's still too early to say the target would be met.